This is a big boy right here.
There's a story. A girl whose mother is trying to find a house way ahead of me. We've come across a beautiful park. And she's got her eyes glued on the phone, trying to find a freaking house. We have reached locked end. There's a statue. Nowhere to go now. Oh, I finally noticed the statue. Taking a picture. We are in the wrong place, wrong time. But now we have a human statue and a water fountain. This reminds me of Paris. Nana, nggak suka.
Katanya mau vlogging. Oh yeah, it's zoomed.
Exactly. Hey you guys, a camera vlog. Can I help?
Okay guys, we're going bowling today with our mom's friend and her son. We've already bowled before, but this is our first time in this other place because usually we go to all the way to Yxuine. And now we're gonna do one that is closer in the city, and then after that we're gonna have some food. We're gonna eat because next to it is a food hall. We'll see.
See you guys later.
See you guys later.
A few minutes later.
We are waiting for the train.
The Tampon subway.
How do you focus? How do you focus?
Hey guys! It is 1 o'clock, literally 1 o'clock. And are you looking here?
Oh no, I'm not.
Yeah, I know you weren't. But basically, the plan for today is we're gonna go on a picnic with a few of my mom's friends. Can you like focus? Thank you.
Sorry.
We were supposed to be there already.
Guess who's back again?
But like, time changed, so it's at 2 instead. Show the fit, show the fit. Ready?
Child. Anyway, so
this is Keisha's fit.
I have rock from Indonesia, this bag from Kayla, this from H&M I guess, and a singlet underneath, glasses, and my makeup. some earrings, a necklace, and ring.
And then my fit check. But I've got this from H&M. The jeans go down a bit. Jeans are wide leg from, I think it was Shein. This is from Shein. This is from H&M. These are mixed with Shein and H&M.
Dun, 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 dun. We're on the way to the subway station.
Wait, do I have a side bang? Is it even recording?
Yeah, it is. Not.
Oh, it is. Oh. Okay, we're in Osaki. How do I fix it? Di sini dulu. Hai. Mau ke pulau ya kita ya? Yuk, piknik yuk.
Strut your walk, girl.
Okay, we're gonna get ice cream. Can you hold it? Can you not? You can, because you like vlogging more and you're more confident. Anyway, I'm not getting you and you're talking, so do we not look like sisters? Okay, but I need to find the ice cream place because I don't know where that is. Seriously, guys. Where is it? Oh, do you want, what is it? Espresso House.
Whatever. Like, stay in the camera.
I'm sorry, but you're walking so slow.
Just because I'm trying to get you, because I'm going like this, but you're like, Kenisha, give me some space. I'm like,
Okay, there's no spatial awareness. Okay, put the camera down now.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
We both got chocolate and then strawberry from my mom.
I'm like holding it so weirdly.
You guys don't know what just happened to me, but basically I got ice cream, right? I had the ice cream. We're on the boat, by the way. I was eating my ice cream. It started melting. The wind blew off the chocolate and it went on my singlet and stuff. And then, look, you can literally see this thing back down because I was struggling. Like it literally melted on my hand like that. Right? The cabin crew saw me. He was looking at me as I sat down. I think he saw my hand, right? As I was about to leave, he was like, "Do you need a tissue?" Look at the tissue he gave me, the tissue. And I asked for a cup, so now my ice cream is in a cup. Huh? Look at his skirt, guys. I think chocolate was the wrong idea.
Ooh, makeup, Take out. The sunlight is sunlighting. Not how
Guys, we cannot film on my camera because the SIM card is not enough. So I'm transporting everything to my phone and then I'm gonna delete it and then we can record. If the quality is bad, we apologize.
Are you trying to say something here? Adik ambil sendiri. Adik mau mie goreng. Apa? Ini punya siapa? Ini makan aja makan. Ada? Nggak ada kan? Oh, laki-laki.
Wow.
Habitannya apa? Oh, mau. Nih.
What the dog doing?
Literally look at that. Like, do you guys see that? Freaking crazy. It's literally so windy. Oh, look, duckies. Can you guys see? This girl got stuff on her feet. Guys, free fit pics. Yeah.
The sparkles in her man.
Okay, I'm gone. I'm going. I have shoes on, you guys.
Dan jujur, ku tak pernah merasa begini. Oh mungkin ini cuma
Guys, look at the view. It's so pretty. I'm gonna edit you out. Guys, we're on the way back to Osaki.
We are at
ngambil dari bawah gitu ya, ngerti nggak? Sejajar gini nih kayak film. Terus kayak laki Kesha go walk. Terus smile oke.
You guys, I don't know if these are goats or sheeps. Guys, we're in this old, I don't even know what this is. This is very giving foreigners and tourists.